In this video, we will show you how to replace your fog lamp assembly on this Kia Forte Koup. This will be mounted directly to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the fog lamp assembly, we'll have to safely make our way underneath the front corner of the bumper. As we make our way under the front bumper cover, we're going to be looking for a plastic panel. And the plastic panel is held in place with two plastic push clips. You're going to have the same process on either side whenever you're replacing the fog lamp assemblies. To remove your push clips, go ahead and remove the center, or at least pull it out of place, to unlock it. You can use a trim tool, even a flat blade screwdriver might work for this. Just go ahead and unlock it, pull it out of there. We'll repeat the process right down the line here. Got one more. Now we should be able to take hold of this and lightly tug it down and out of the way. We can make our way up in here for the rest of the process. We can start dislodging our electrical connector. For this, it has two locking tabs. You just want to squeeze those in, disconnect it, a quick inspection for corrosion, set that wiring harness aside. Continuing from there, you're going to have 4 Phillips head mounting screws. We have one in the upper corner. It's fairly hard to see from underneath. Making our way towards the center, we'll have 2. And then in the bottom corner, right down under here, there's a 4th. Let's go ahead and remove all 4 of these and the fog lamp assembly from the vehicle. Let's make our way down here for our final mounting screw. Let's hold on to that assembly. Can take hold of this and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. With the fog lamp dislodged from the bumper cover, we'll clean and inspect the mounting points here. And now we can install our fog lamp assembly. Let's get this in place. While holding it in position, go ahead and start in all 4 pieces of your mounting hardware. Once all of them are started in, you can snug them up. Let's get the last one in on the bottom there. They're all started in. We're sure we're mounted properly up against this area. Let's snug them up. Now it's time for our electrical connector. If you were to look at the connector head itself, you're going to find that you have the 2 electrodes, but we also have a small slot towards the center. It's really only on one side of the connector. We want to have that facing towards what would be the rear of the vehicle. We'll press it into the bulb while holding the bulb. Listen for a click, give it a little tug. Let's get our plastic panel in place. We'll get this aligned. Double check, make sure this is properly in place. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our fog lamp assembly. The last thing you want to do is go ahead and test the functionality and aim it. Go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.